Hey guys, it's Aarati and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please do consider subscribing to my channel and also hit the bell icon. And in this video, I'm going to tell you about this new app that everyone has been talking about, and it is Clubhouse. Clubhouse is an audio-only app that hosts live discussions and people can participate through speaking and listening. It is basically like public Zoom meetings without webcam, if that made any sense. But I'm going to talk about the little details of the Clubhouse and how to use the app. And yeah, let's begin. So firstly, sign up with your phone number and enter the basic details like your first name, last name and your username. Once you are done filling up the information, you will get a pop-up like this, which will say that your username has been reserved and someone has to let you in. By this, it means that the people in your contact who already have an account on Clubhouse will get a notification that you have joined Clubhouse and they can let you in. If anyone from your contact lets you in, then they will get credit on your profile. For example, I have let this XYZ person in, then on their profile it will say nominated by Aarati Kulkarni. Once someone lets you in, you will get a message like this and you will have to log in again and then set up your account. To set up your account, firstly, choose a really attractive display picture because unlike Instagram, you don't get an entire feed to post your pictures, but only your display picture. So it is the only visual way for people to know how you look. Then the next thing is to set up your bio. I have a bio like this where I explain what I do, and there are no word or character limitations. So write about yourself as much as you can, as that is going to be the first impression for people about you. And they can get to know you based on what you've written in your bio. Do not forget to add your social media handles in your bio, as there is no option to chat on Clubhouse itself, so people can actually connect with you on Instagram or Twitter. You can do that by going in the settings and clicking on account, and then you can connect your Instagram and Twitter. Below account, you will see an option called interests. Click on that and select the topics you are interested in. Based on the topics you select, you will get recommendations for joining the audio rooms. This is the hallway. It is basically like a homepage, and audio rooms look somewhat like this. You can join the audio rooms as an audience. If the moderator invites you to join as the speaker, you can speak in the room as well. This party popper icon means that the person is new to the Clubhouse and been less than a week since they have joined. You can also create your own room by clicking on Start a Room. You will get 3 options which are open, which is open to everyone, social, only for people you follow, and closed, which is private. You can also add a specific topic to the room. If you want to follow people or clubs, then click on the search icon and search for the same. For clubs, if you're interested in photography, then just search the keyword and you will get a bunch of options on that certain topic. If you follow a certain club, the creator of the club can also invite you to join the club. And if you accept it, then the club icon will display on your profile. You can also create your own clubs by simply clicking on the plus icon and then just fill up the information. Along with this, you can also invite people to join the Clubhouse by clicking on this icon in the hallway and view upcoming scheduled rooms by clicking on the calendar icon. I really love this platform as you get to socialize even if you are an introvert or join some amazing discussions. One time I joined a room where everyone was introducing themselves and there were about 200 people in that room, and I introduced myself and people actually went through my profile, not only on Clubhouse but also on Instagram because I had linked it, and some of them wanted to connect with me for professional reasons. So you actually get to know a lot of people and create a call to action for other platforms. So that's it for this video guys. I really hope this video helped you guys. And if you are on Clubhouse, then please follow me. My username is artistic and you can type the name as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Give this video a huge like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!